Windows keep on updating its versions, and the new version Windows 11 is getting a lot of updates day to day. But if you are worried about some of the updates that causing issues with your Windows 11 functionality and do not want any update anymore, then you have an option to end the Windows 11 update in your PC or laptop. So in this video, I'm going to show you how quickly you can stop the Windows 11 update. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to Start, and from here just type in Services. Now you will get the services here, then run it as an administrator. Now you are inside the services area, and here you will be able to see all the services with relate to Windows. Now just select one and then click W to go to the W section. And from here just look for Windows Update. Here you can see that Windows Update is available. Now just right click on it and take the properties. Now from here there is an option Startup Type. It is right now manual. You just click on the drop down and select Disable. This will permanently disable the Windows Update in your PC or laptop. If the service status is showing stop, then click on Start once again. Now click on Stop. Now after that, just go to the Recovery section tab. Now from here, you can see the first option, that is first failure, restart the service. Just click on that and select Take No Action. And then click Apply and then click on OK. If you right click on Windows Update once again and see that you will not be able to start, stop or pause Windows Update anymore. So whenever you feel it is required, the Windows Update is required, you can come back here, just right click, then open the properties. From here, change the disable to manual. And from here, recovery, just go to first failure and select restart service. And click on apply and click on OK. That's it. So simple. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.